Get back to Apple. 37 years ago today, it went public. If you invested $1,000 back in 1980, today that $1,000 would be worth $411,050. Not a bad game.
Not bad.
I didn't invest back then. Okay. That man is Gene Munster, Loup Ventures managing partner. All right, they've had a fantastic decade with the iPhones and all that. Where do they go from here? What's the next big thing on their horizon?
Well, the next big thing is augmented reality, and Tim Cook has put really the stakes down that this is going to be the new way that consumers are going to interact with machines. And so this basically means that the smartphone's going to go away. So they're making a big bet. Last week, there's a company called Finisar, which supplies a component for doing this augmented reality, said they're starting a new factory that's going to be online at the end of next year to supply this. So I think that that's where Apple goes in the next decade. Is this is going to be an AR company.
Can you give me some example or demonstrate how augmented reality works? What I'm going to see, how I'm going to use it. Turn me on. Sell it to me, can you?
Yeah, basically right now when we interact with a computer or your phone, you take it out and you tap on it, use a touchscreen. In augmented reality, it's where you look. Information will seamlessly be given to you. So today it's the phone. So you move the phone around a room and you'll have information. Think of like Snapchat or Pokemon Go. But the selling point is that you could look at a person, it could remind you their name. You could look at a car and it could tell you information about it. You could look at a street, it can give you directions. Just the ease that we're going to be getting information. You look at the sky, you'll have weather. You'll be walking through the grocery store. It will highlight what things that you want to pick up. And so really the opportunities are endless. Very similar to what we saw when apps first came out around mobile. It was hard to really identify. But the simple selling point, Stuart, is that the ease that we're going to be able to get information is going to be improved.
So, wait a second. Do I have to point my phone at the sky to get weather? Or in the future, will I just look at the sky and bingo, a weather forecast comes into my head?
It will be in the future. Apple recently acquired a company that does a form of wearables. So in the future, it will be glasses. And so, but in the near term, the next few years, you'll use your phone to get there.
I was just a little